In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see mailbox and folder sizes in Outlook. This is especially useful if you're running into storage limits, noticing Outlook slowing down, or just want to keep your mailbox tidy. By the end, you'll know exactly where your space is going and which folders are the biggest contributors. First, open Microsoft Outlook as you normally would. Once you're on the main Outlook screen, move to the very top left corner and click File. That opens the Backstage view, which is where Outlook keeps account details and maintenance tools. If you're not already on it, make sure the info section is selected. That's the dashboard that summarizes your account and mailbox status. On the right side of the info page, look for a button labeled Tools. Depending on your Outlook layout, is typically near mailbox settings or your account name. Click Tools to open a small menu of maintenance options. From that menu, choose Mailbox Cleanup. Think of Mailbox Cleanup as the control center for managing space. It includes options to find older items, empty certain folders, and most importantly for today, to check sizes. In the Mailbox Cleanup window, select View Mailbox Size. This opens the folder size dialog. Here's where the real insight lives. At the top, you'll see the total size of your mailbox. Below that, you'll get a detailed breakdown by folder, including subfolders like inbox categories, sent items, and deleted items. You may see tabs such as local data and server data. If you're using an Exchange or Microsoft 365 account with cached exchange mode, those numbers might differ slightly, which is normal. Local reflects what's stored on your computer, server shows what's on the mail server. Sizes are listed in kilobytes. As a quick rule of thumb, roughly 1000 KB is about 1 MB, and about 1000 MB is 1 GB. Scan the list for large folders. Sent items and deleted items often grow quickly because of attachments. If it helps, take a quick note of the heaviest folders so you can focus your cleanup efforts later. When you're done reviewing, simply close the folder size window. You can return here anytime the same way. File, Info, Tools, Mailbox Cleanup, then View Mailbox Size. Interface labels can vary slightly between Outlook versions, but this path is the standard in the classic Windows desktop app. If you discover you're close to your quota, consider clearing deleted items and junk email, removing large attachments after saving copies, or using archiving to move older mail out of your primary mailbox. Regularly checking these sizes helps keep Outlook running smoothly and prevents last-minute storage surprises.